So we're going to separate it in two pieces here. We're going to actually do a large amount of purple, or grape in this case, because we're going to actually wrap it in a purple or a grape color. So we're going to add a little bit of color to it now. And a little bit of purple here. And since we're going to mix our own color here, we're going to actually add a little bit of pink. So add just a little bit of pink there too, like that. Now normally we only add the flavor of the bigger piece here, which is going to be the white part of it. But since we have a little bit larger piece that's going to be purple, this is actually be what we call the wrap. And we'll show you in just a few minutes how that comes to fruition here. Now we're going to add about 1/3 of an ounce to this one. And then we're going to mix it in just like we did the flavor and the color on the last batch. Very similar to the way you might with baked whites at home, or how when you stretch out a rubber band, the color lightens up a little bit. Same process there pretty much. A little bit of stripage here. Stripage, that's just a new word though, stripage. I'm not sure that's in the dictionary. And then remember I talked about the blanket. There's our blanket right there. Stretch that out here a little bit. Stretching, stretching. Just like that. I have no idea what I'm doing here, so just bear with me. Hopefully it'll come out right. Hi guys. So there we go. We got just about that right size there. We're going to put it in the middle. We're going to wrap it in our blanket. Put it in the manger. There we go. Just like that. So now we've got our purple base. And we're going to stretch out our stripe here. Stretching, stretching. So remember, this is exactly like candy canes. The only difference is we're going to shape it a little different now. Stretch that out here. Stripe just about the stripe length we need it. So now we're going to take our block and set it here. So now I've got my white stripe on one side of the block. And I'm going to wrap it around like that. Now I've got both sides of the block. And we're going to put that stripe around the outside there. Just kind of hot glue it to the outside, if you will. It's still so warm, it just sticks right to the outside there. So now what we have here is either ribbon candy, some sort of a turtle shell, or maybe a toilet seat cover. Look at this shit up there. I'm going to stretch that out here. That's going to take us about 20 pieces to get the stripe just the way we need it.